A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. To make wudu, we take our turban, sunnah ring, and anything with visible Islamic calligraphy. We take it off before entering the facility. We keep our head covered with our kufi while we are inside the facility. Water has angelic power. Start with intention in your heart that, O my Lord, with the power and secret of water, wash away all difficulty, all sickness and illness, all bad desires, bad energies, and negative energies. Say Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim in your heart and begin with our hands. Rub our hands 3 times, turning the right over the left and the left over the right. Then with the right hand, we rinse our mouth 3 times. Then with the left hand, we rinse our nose 3 times. Then with both hands, we rinse our face 3 times. Then we rinse our right arm up to the elbow first 3 times. Followed by the left arm up to the elbow 3 times. Then we perform masa. With your wet hands, rub your hair from front to back by joining both your middle fingers, ring fingers, and pinky fingers together. Rub your hair from front to back. Then we clean our ears. Now, with the same wetted hands, rub the back of your neck and the back of your hands by moving them away. This is followed by rubbing the arms. Each arm is rubbed once. Rub your right arm first by interlacing your left hand fingers with your right hand, and rub downwards until you reach your right elbow. Do the same for your left arm. Then we rinse our right foot first 3 times, followed by rinsing the left foot 3 times. After completing wudu, put on your turban and your sunnah ring once you exit the bathroom. Use siwak and pray 2 rakat salatul wudu to seal your energy.